Do like Einstein, think like Newton, discover like Aryabhat, live life like Gates. Good morning to all of you. I am your mentor, Pooja wants to put light on the importance of mathematics. Math is very useful in everyday life. Math can help us do many things that are important in our everyday lives. Mathematics makes our life orderly. Certain qualities that nurtured by mathematics are the power of reasoning, creativity, abstract thinking, critical thinking, problem solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Mathematics is the cradle of all creations, which the world cannot move an inch, be it a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor. Everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. Even insects use mathematics in their everyday life for existence. Snails make their shells, spiders design their webs, and bees build hexagonal combs. There are countless examples of mathematics patterns in nature fabric. A study done by Dr. Tanya Evans at Stanford University proved that the students who solve maths problem in their daily life have higher logical skills than those students who don't solve the problems. To make our body stay fit and healthy, we do exercise. In the same way, to stay our brain healthy and active, we need to do brain exercise. Math is quite useful for the cook because in almost every recipe there is a need to put the ingredients. To make anything delicious, the cook needs to know the perfect measurement of the ingredients. In the end, I just want to say that the importance of math is getting more crucial with every passing year. We know that there is always uncertainty in the world in the terms of economic crisis. To get rid of these problems, we need to have excellent command over math. Thank you.